Hi, this is Joan Jack, Norwex distributor, independent consultant. We've got some rabbit that was given to my father, and then we're going to do the protein test using the Envirocloth and the testers. Now I'm going to take the rabbit, wabus, off of the board, and you see all the blood from the rabbit that I've got cut up into pieces. And we're going to do the test. And when the test is done, the protein should turn the test a purple color, I think it is. And then all we've got is the Norwex Envirocloth damp. And we're going to wipe it off. We're going to wipe off the blood from the board. A little bit of elbow grease there. So we're going to label these rabbit. And this is the sample that had the protein. I'm just going to put a B for that. And then this is the sample of the rabbit. Clean. After we cleaned it with just water on the Norwex board. Now what we're supposed to do is hold the tester and snap it and squeeze it twice and then shake it for about 10 seconds, and look at that, eh? Purple shows you the amount of protein in it, and green shows clean, like no protein. So we're going to do that again for the clean one. Squeeze it twice to get all the testing fluid down there, and we're going to shake it. Let's keep going a little bit of it. Oh, look how green it turned. Wow, eh? All right, thank you.